What if I told you that I'm starting my travel journey from zero? No big travels budget, no international trips yet, no long list of countries visited, just a dream and a decision. Because I realized something important. You don't start a journey when everything is perfect. You start when you realize that your dream is worth beginning. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I plan to start my travel journey from scratch. Hey guys, welcome back to Elynn Adventures. If you're new here, my name is Elynn, and this channel is about travel exploration and documenting my journey as I grow into a travel content creator. But today's video is different. I'm not showing you a destination, I'm showing you the beginning of a plan, because I believe that every big journey starts with a decision and then a structure behind it. So today I want to walk you through how I'm starting, what my mindset is, and what steps I'm taking to build this travel journey from scratch. And I want you to stay with me until the end, because maybe you are also starting something of your own. Let me be honest with you. Starting something from scratch is not glamorous. There's no highlight reels at the beginning. There's no big travel clips yet, and there's no perfect version of the journey. There's just uncertainty, learning, planning, and a lot of things to figure out. And that's exactly where I am. But here's what I've learned. Starting something from scratch is not a disadvantage. It's actually an advantage, because you get to build everything intentionally. You get to decide your direction, your consistency, your story, your growth, and that is powerful. There was a time I kept telling myself, I'll start when I have more experience, I'll start when I travel more, I'll start when I'm ready. But the truth is that that time never comes. So I made a decision. I'll start now, even if I'm still learning. Because I realized something important. You don't become a travel content creator by traveling first. You become one by starting to document your journey. And that shift changed everything for me. So let me share my plan with you. This is how I'm building my travel journey from scratch. Number one, right now my focus is not on expensive trips. My focus is on sharing my thoughts, my mindset, my preparation journey, and my perspective on travel. Because every journey starts in the mind before it becomes physical. Number two, before going far, I want to explore Nairobi, nearby towns, hidden gems in my environment, and everyday experiences. Because sometimes we overlook the beauty that is already around us. Number three, I'm focused on showing up regularly, improving my storytelling, learning video skills, and building audience trust, because consistency builds credibility. Number four, as time goes, I want to travel more across Kenya, explore new countries, and eventually go beyond borders, but step by step, not all at once. And number five, this is very important to me. I don't want to show only the success phase. I want to show the confusion, the learning, the growth, and the transformation, because this is where the real story is. Now, I want to pause and talk to you. Are you also starting something from scratch right now? Maybe a business, a channel, a dream, or a new direction in life? And if yes, I want to tell me in the comments. What are you starting right now, even if it feels small? And also, what is that one place you'd love to travel to first if nothing was holding you back? One thing I've learned is this: the beginning of your journey often looks simple, because this is where your courage is built, identity is formed, discipline tested, and dreams are shaped. And I want to remind myself and you watching that every big traveler, every creator, every explorer once started somewhere small. and this is my somewhere small, and I am proud of it. So my plan is not perfect, not fully figured out, but real. I'm starting my travel journey from scratch, and I'm choosing to grow it step by step. And I want you to be part of that journey with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Elynn Adventures, and comment your thoughts below. And I want to ask you one final question. Do you believe starting small is actually the best way to start something big? I'll be reading your answers. Until next time, this is Elynn Adventures, and this is just the beginning of everything.